video in this video we solve problem based on heat balance sheet. Consider a problem: a gas engine working on the constant volume cylinder gives the following result during a 1 hour run. Cylinder diameter 24 cm, stroke 48 cm, effective diameter of brake wheel 1.2 meter, load on brake 1236 Newton, speed 226.7 rpm, explanation: per minute equal to 77 mfp of indicator chord 7.5 bar, gas used 13 meter square at 15 degrees Celsius at and 771 mm of mercury pressure. CV is equal to, means calorific value is equal to 22000 kilojoule per meter cube. At cooling water use 625 kilogram. Inlet temperature 25 degrees Celsius, outlet temperature 60 degrees Celsius. Determine the mechanical efficiency, the indicated thermal efficiency, and draw heat balance sheet for engine on minute based. First of all, we calculate mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency is BP upon IP. First of all, we calculate BP, then after IP. BP is equal to 2 pi NT. Putting this value 2 pi into N means 226.7 rpm converted into RPS. In this question, we do not give a value torque, but in this question give a value effective diameter brake wheel and load on brake. Torque is equal to load on brake into diameter of wheel. This value is considered, and converted into kilowatt we divided 1000. After calculating this, we found 18.34 kilowatt BP. After calculating BP, we found IP. IP is brake effective mean pressure into area of cylinder into stroke length into L. Mean effective pressure is given 7.5 bar, converted into Newton per meter square, means 7.5 into 10 ka power minus into 5 into area pi by 4 into bore diameter ka square into bore diameter is given in centimeter, we convert in meter. Stroke also given in centimeter, we convert it into meter. Into N, speed 226.7 given in rpm, we converted into rps, and converted IP value in kilowatt divided 1000. After calculating this, IP is given 20.9 kilowatt. After this, we calculating mechanical efficiency, brake power upon indicated power, putting this value, and we found 87.8% mechanical efficiency. After this, we calculate indicated thermal efficiency. Indicated thermal efficiency is IP upon mass of fuel into calorific value. We converted into proper unit, multiplying 36000. IP value is 20.9 into 36000 into mass of fuel is given 13 meter square, and calorific value is 22000 kilojoule per meter cube. After calculating thermal indicated power efficiency is given 26.3%. After this, we draw heat balance sheet. For heat balance sheet, we first of all calculate heat supply in minute. Heat supply is mass of fuel into calorific value. Mass of fuel is given 13 and calorific value is given 22,000. In this we calculated and value is we found a value in kilowatt and converted kilojoule per minute. We divided 60. After this we calculate 47,666 into 67 kilojoule per minute. After this, heat equivalent to BP. This is equal to 18.34 into 60. This value in kilowatt. We converted in kilojoule per minute. In this question, for heat balance sheet, heat of cooling water is given. We also consider is the heat of cooling water is mass of water, Cp of water and temperature difference. Mass of cooling water is given 625 kilogram. Inlet temperature 25 degrees Celsius, outlet temperature 60 degrees Celsius. The mass of fuel 625, Cp of water we know 4.18 and temperature difference is 60 minus 25. We calculating and found 1526.4 kilojoule per second. In proper unit, we converted divided by 60, or we found out 1526.4 kilojoule per minute. This is all calculated values of heat balance sheet. We know total heat supply and utilized values are equal to each other, but in this question heat supply for 4766.67 is 100% heat supply. This 100% is converted into BP, which is 1100.4. This value is 23% of this value. Heat of cooling water is 1526.4 kilojoule per minute, which is 32%. BP and cooling water is used almost 55% of heat supply. Rest of the values means which is do not calculated in this question is unwanted uncounted heat. So uncounted heat is equal to 4766.67 minus 1100.4 0.4 minus 1526.4, which is equal to 2123.8 39.87 kilojoule per minute, which is 45% of heat supply. This value is remaining value or uncounted value is form of loss, exhaust, radiation and other losses, which is not calculated yet. Thank you.